Today, I want to share an advanced manifestation technique that I use called destination jumping. So the reality is we all have our current situation where we're at currently, but then we all also have a desired situation where we desire to be. And so with this technique, it will really astonish you. But basically, you're taking your current situation, you're putting it into your desired situation, and then you're basically waiting for it to manifest, which is so simple. It's a great tool and technique to practice, and today I'll share how you can use it. So basically, if you are at a stuck place, you feel unfulfilled, you're frustrated with where you're at, or you're questioning, like, is this all life has to offer? Then this is the technique that you want to start to use. All you need is a pen, 2 cups, 1 cup full of water, and some Post-its. Basically, what you're going to do is you're going to take your current situation regarding where you feel stuck. Like, let's say that you feel stuck at your job or something like that, right? You're going to take your current situation and you're going to write down in as much detail about where you're at, how you're feeling about it, okay? And you write that on the Post-it, and then above it, you're going to write current situation. On the other Post-it, you're going to write your desired situation. So if you could just have everything you wanted, all the T's were crossed and all the I's were dotted, what would that desired situation look like? And then you take time to really list that out in detail as well. So again, for example, if you're like, I'm really frustrated with my job, I feel really unfulfilled, I feel like I can never get things done, I'm feeling behind, and I just don't feel aligned with what I'm called to do. That would be your current situation. Your desired situation may be that you're working in a job where you feel valued. You're working in a job that has great benefits. You're working in a job where people, love you and appreciate you and compliment you. So you list these 2 things out on a Post-it. So then the next thing you're going to do is in your current situation cup, you're going to fill it with water, okay? So this is your current situation. And I want you to take a moment and I want you to sit there and I want you to wrap your arms around it and finger your hands around it. And I want you to think about how that situation makes you feel. Do you feel frustrated? Do you feel tired? Do you feel like you're on the brink of burnout? Do you feel exhausted? Do you feel like throwing in the towel? Whatever it is that you currently feel, I want you to think about that. Then I want you to take that water and I want you to pour that water into your desired situation cup. Now, I don't have water for this activity because I didn't want to accidentally spill it in the middle, but you guys get the gist. Take the water and you pour it into your desired situation cup, and then you set that cup aside. And then this is your desired situation. So I want you to take a moment and I want you to just read all of the things that you have listed, how you're feeling, what you're seeing, what you're noticing, why you're excited, why you're inspired, just everything that you have listed on the Post-it. And then you're going to take this cup of water as you're visualizing everything that you've listed and drink the entire cup. And as you're drinking your desired situation water, I want you to continue to allow yourself to feel all the feelings. When you involve your feelings, it really helps you to connect with what you want. So I want you to just think about how you're feeling and what you're saying. You can even close your eyes as you're drinking it. That's something that I always do. And then once you totally finish every single last drop. Once you totally finish, I want you to take the word desired and I want you to exit out and write the word current, and really just step in to the belief and the position of knowing that this is now your current situation and you're in the process of manifesting it. And then I want you to take the former Post-it that you wrote current situation and shred it up. Like, that is no longer your reality. That is no longer anything you need to accept. And then I want you to toss it. And that's it. Basically, literally, you walk away and you're good to go. You don't need to overthink it. You don't need to try to make sense of it. Just allow the manifestation to actually happen. What you'll probably notice right away is you're probably going to feel super, super excited. I actually did this with a client this morning and she was so pumped up, so excited, and really ready to dive into her future, right? So you'll notice that you'll feel really high vibe, really inspired, and really excited. And then as you notice, the results will start to come. It'll really blow your mind. So I want you to dive in. I want you to try this technique today. Don't try to blow it off. Don't try to wait for it. Don't try to even make sense of how it's going to happen in your desired situation. Just dive in and try it today and watch these results change your life.